Hey everyone, so I am back on this channel with a new video. The reason I was gone for so long on this channel was that because not much was happening in Marvel Cinematic Universe in the past 2 weeks. But now we have some great news about WandaVision TV show and Falcon and the Winter Soldier TV show. Both of the shows could be released this year if the report is correct. And the report is coming from a very trustworthy source and industry insider, Charles Murphy. He has already reported a lot of news about Marvel Studios that were correct in the future. So before going into the details, if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are a Marvel fan, do consider subscribing to my channel because that's what we mostly talk about here. So after all of the film and television productions were shut down, Marvel Studios announced a new schedule for their movies. Every movie was delayed at least 6 months or it was pushed at least a slot back. But a new schedule for Disney Plus TV shows was never announced. And as we talked about it earlier, only last episode of Falcon and the Winter Soldier was left to film. And WandaVision show was kind of unclear. Elizabeth Olsen gave a hint that still some shoots are left for WandaVision show. So we assume that both of the shows will be delayed even though Disney Plus hasn't announced it yet. So this might be true if WandaVision show has some spoilers about Falcon and the Winter Soldier TV show. Originally, Falcon and the Winter Soldier was supposed to release before WandaVision. But now, according to the report by Charles Murphy, VFX has been finished for WandaVision show completely. Except for the reshoots, the series could be finished in the editing room once Marvel Studios work can continue, but there's a catch. The catch is obviously the show was supposed to be released after Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Both shows could be altered in order to accommodate a new release schedule. This is nothing but speculation as of now. But if changes were able to be made, it could potentially result in the release of WandaVision show before end of this year. But still, this might not happen if WandaVision show has some major spoilers about Falcon and the Winter Soldier show. But if it can be fixed with some tiny plot changes and some minor reshoots, Marvel Studios might do it. Now let's talk about another possibility for Falcon and the Winter Soldier show. There was a news yesterday that Czech Republic has been opened for production again. It means Marvel Studios can resume production of Falcon and the Winter Soldier show right now. So even if Marvel Studios doesn't start the production right now and wait for a couple of months, they can still resume the shooting in July and complete the show till August. Only one episode is left and one episode can be finished in 1 month. The original release date for Falcon and the Winter Soldier show is August and only one episode need to be released in August. Disney Plus, unlike Netflix, will not be releasing all of the episodes of the show together. Disney Plus will release the episodes on weekly basis and that will give some time to shoot the finale. So even if Marvel Studios resume the production in the month of August, they can still complete the finale before the release date. In this way, release schedule for the shows was never changed and Marvel Studios can easily release WandaVision after Falcon and the Winter Soldier. And this might cause some complications with Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. The movie is currently delayed to 2022 after Thor Ragnarok. Originally, it was supposed to be released on May 2021, which was almost 4 months after WandaVision TV show. Wanda was supposed to go crazy at the end of her show and it was supposed to be resumed in Doctor Strange movie. But now we have to wait for at least more than 1 year for the storyline to continue. And in between, a lot of other MCU movies will be released. That might cause some complications and might give out some spoilers about the movie. But it's all speculation. Hopefully Marvel Studios keep their original schedule for their TV shows at least. That's it for today. Hopefully you like the video. Do tell me in comment section your views about all this. See you in the next video. Till then, be happy.